We just have a day of clouds and some soggy conditions to get through. Snow really coming down. This scene looked completely different an hour ago. Winter weather advisories right now covering all of northern Michigan because of the accumulation. That hook shape is already indicating that there was some rotation. And of course, that's what we look for in a tornado, that bright green and red together. So that's why we are seeing this enhanced risk for parts of the northwestern lower into the eastern UP. That's where the greatest chance of seeing a severe thunderstorm is. But the storm is massive. So tropical storm force winds could be felt as early as tomorrow morning.
Do you need to wear a snowsuit or bring your umbrella to go trick-or-treating? Melanie.
Melanie!
Did I scare anybody? When you hear the term blizzard warning, you may think it's because of the heavy snowfall or the temperatures, but that's really not the case. So what exactly do we mean when we say blizzard? Well, starting off, winds have to be at least 35 miles per hour or greater, and we've already been seeing that, and we'll continue to see that. So locally, we're looking at gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour and possibly even exceeding 60 miles per hour at times for a prolonged period of time of 3 hours or more.
Pretty calm day for most of us. You know, nothing crazy. A little fog this morning.
A little bit of clouds.
Yeah. Some clouds. But some places the snow's already gone. We were like, had so fingers crossed for a white Christmas.
Yes.
Most of us had it, but
exactly.
it didn't last long.
No, and as temperatures get warmer, we're only going to be seeing less snow. And the system that's moving in isn't even expected to bring that much snow. So if you are looking forward,
snow lovers.
Yeah, sorry. I know I love the snow. I want more snow. Yeah. So we may have to wait till like Saturday for more snow.
All right. It's on the way, though.
Yeah, it is on its way. We will eventually see more snow, but you know, it's still good to get outside and enjoy it. You know, the slopes, they're still open and they got some good snow out there, but yeah, the snow is gone in Mount Pleasant. Just thick clouds still holding on. Some of us did see a little bit of sunshine today, and perhaps some are in spots. Overall, those skies are mostly to partly cloudy, but again, that system slowly approaching. We're seeing mainly rain areas up towards north like Minneapolis, Bismarck, through Winnipeg, looking at the snow. And for here in northern Michigan, it's mainly going to be rain, but there will be some snow out there. The heaviest will be impacting the eastern UP. So through 7 p.m. this evening, skies will be remaining mostly cloudy. Some flurries, drizzle will be possible. And then heading into tomorrow morning at around 7:30 a.m., we begin to see a little bit of snow working into the northern lower. That will work its way north through the eastern UP, where we are expecting some scattered snow showers, and we do see heavier pockets of snow in the western portions of the upper peninsula. That's through your lunch hour. Skies still relatively quiet out there for the lower peninsula, and then we begin to see some scattered rain showers move in. Not really looking at a whole lot, though, in terms of rain. This is through 6 o'clock. Rain for the lower peninsula, rain mix and snow out there for the eastern UP. And then we do see that changes over to rain overnight heading into Friday morning. That's through 5:30 a.m. But the rain going to be very hit or miss. So for travelers, if you're traveling out towards the west, flights could be delayed, but flying out of Detroit or anywhere heading towards the east, things should be fine since the precipitation is mainly just rain. So again, we're not really expecting a whole lot in terms of snowfall totals. This goes through 10 p.m. tomorrow. UP could see around 1 to 3 inches, much across the lower peninsula, though, only seeing a trace to an inch, but out towards the west, seeing a little bit more snow, looking at 3 to 6 inches. The winds, though, they will be gusty as well. Starting off at 7 a.m., we do see wind gusts up to 20, maybe even 30 miles per hour. And then the gusts just get stronger throughout the afternoon. Right along the Lake Michigan shoreline, upwards of 40 mile per hour wind gusts, certainly possible. And then the winds stay very gusty as we head into tomorrow evening, really coming out of the east-southeast, and that will be funneling in some warmer temperatures, not just for tomorrow, but for Friday as well. So, of course, stay up to date with us. Grab the Doppler 9 and 10 weather app. You can check our website and, of course, follow us on Facebook and Twitter, where we will constantly be updating you about this storm system as it begins to move into northern Michigan. Everett right now, temperature 34 degrees, saw a high of 35, and the winds, not bad now, coming out of the north at 1 mile per hour. But again, we'll see some very gusty winds tomorrow. So for tonight, clouds, maybe a drizzle or flurry possible. Overall, though, most will be staying dry. Your lows dropping into those 20s, southeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and mostly cloudy skies across the central lower tonight. Temperatures into those 20s and lower 30s. Then tomorrow, your highs, 30s. Eastern UP going to be seeing snow in the morning. That will eventually transition over to rain, with much of the same for the northern lower. Maybe getting in on some morning snow showers, but then afternoon and evening, expect scattered rain. And rain will be out there for the central lower tomorrow as well, so grab the umbrellas as your temperatures reach the 40s. And then Friday morning, going to be starting off as rain. That will transition over to snow for the evening hours. Wind still a bit breezy with falling temperatures throughout the day. And then much colder air moves in for Saturday into the teens and 20s. That will generate some lake effect snow showers, still holding on to the clouds. But then by Sunday, a little bit of sunshine returns.
I am live right now in Miwataka, and we are seeing the snow really coming down. You can see it's greatly reducing the visibility. Can't even really see across the lake over there. And even driving here, there was such a difference between the main roads and the back roads. We're seeing the untreated roads already snow covered, a little bit slick. You can see if you look back out to the road right there, this is an untreated roadway, so there's still some snow out there, definitely creating slick conditions. And as we progress throughout the night and throughout the rest of your day tomorrow, the road conditions are only going to be getting worse. Right now, this snow is the wet stuff. It's wet, it's heavy, it's thanks to that system snow, so it's good for making snowballs, making snowmen. But as we progress into tomorrow, that lake effect, we're going to be seeing the drier, white, powdier snow. So that's going to be causing more blowing issues as the winds pick up. So definitely want to take caution if you're driving tonight